But today we're talking daffodils. I put out some rings. Here's one. Here's another one. And my mom went to the nursery and she got 2 different kinds, but she put them on the same bag, so it's going to be a toss-up. But they kind of look, these ones are darker. And there's 6 of them, right? And these ones are lighter. So I think there's your 2 different ones. I don't know which is which, but I have 2 different rings here. So I will put these ones over here. And these ones, we will stand this up. And you see how this says 2? You could leave it like that. I like to break these apart. That gives me 2 instead of 1. These are daffodils, not tulips. So, just, this one's still got the paper on it. You can cut this paper off with a knife or just pry it. There you go. There you go. All 6 of those made 12. I've got my drill with my auger bit on it. So we are just going to start drilling these and popping them in about 6 inches down, or about down to here. Maybe that's only 4 inches down. Now these, there are some roots in here, but that's from this maple tree here, this Acer palmatum. That's all right. We're just gonna pop these down. And that's about it. I'm gonna leave these holes open so I know where these all are and drill as many holes as I can in here. I might have to extend this ring a little bit wider. Let's get going here. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, that just kind of made a big old hole, didn't it? So this one had one. This one down here. We will pull that back and just shove it down. There's a big rock here. I felt it. Look at that. We'll put that one down in there. There's one. There's one. There's one in the middle. There's one. There's one. There's one. One last one. All right. Now we will cover these up. This ring just lets me know after snow melts, leaves fall, I go in here weeding. I just kind of want a reminder as to where these daffodils are, these bulbs. All right, it's as simple as that. It's pretty easy. We'll walk around. So there you go. And we will do the same thing over here. These are 6. Sometimes you hit a big rock. Whoa. I love this auger. As long as your drill is on low gear, it works great. All right, so we'll clean these out, drop one in, clean these out, get rid of that rock, drop one in, clean this out, drop one in. Two more. All right, we'll cover those back up. That's it. Daffodils are planted. This is really good soil. It has been amended over the last year, so I don't need any extra stuff in it. Now those daffodils will come back every year. Not like tulips. Tulips have a hard time coming back. But daffodils come back every year. All right, hope that helps you with your planting. You guys have a great day. I think it's gonna start raining. I'm going in the greenhouse.